Hey there, food enthusiasts! Welcome back to another mind-blowing episode of uncovering the secrets hidden in your everyday life. Today, we're diving into the fascinating science behind your kitchen masterpieces. You see, the kitchen isn't just a place for cooking, it's a laboratory of flavor, a playground of physics, and a symphony of chemistry. If you love discovering the why behind the magic of food, you're in the right place. We're going to take a deep dive into the reactions, the ratios, and the downright remarkable transformations that make our taste buds sing. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, so you never miss out on the exciting mysteries we unravel every week. Let's kick things off with a substance so fundamental to cooking, so ubiquitous in our kitchens, that we often take it for granted. Salt. Now you might think salt is just there to make things taste salty, right? Well, that's only the tip of the iceberg, my friends. Salt is a culinary chameleon, a master of disguise, a flavor enhancer extraordinaire. Why do we sprinkle a pinch of salt on watermelon or add it to our chocolate chip cookie dough? Because salt, my friends, has this uncanny ability to amplify sweetness. It's like a megaphone for your taste buds, making those sweet notes resonate louder and clearer. But wait, there's more. Salt is also a balancing act ninja. It can tame the bitterness of dark chocolate or kale, creating a more harmonious flavor profile. Ever brined a chicken or a pork chop? Brining, my friends, is like giving your meat a spa treatment. The salt works its way into the muscle fibers, breaking them down and helping the meat retain moisture, resulting in a juicier, more tender final product. So next time you reach for that salt shaker, remember, you're not just adding a seasoning, you're wielding a culinary powerhouse. Let's talk spices, shall we? Those aromatic wonders that transform bland dishes into flavor bombs. But have you ever stopped to ponder the science behind these flavor powerhouses? Spices, my friends, are nature's chemical factories. They're packed with volatile compounds, ready to unleash their aromatic fury upon your senses. When you grind spices, you're essentially unlocking these compounds, releasing their full flavor potential. And heat? Heat is like a turbocharger, accelerating those chemical reactions and intensifying the flavors. Take chili peppers, for example. Those fiery little devils get their kick from a compound called capsaicin. Capsaicin binds to receptors in our mouths, sending a signal to our brains that we perceive as heat. It's not actually heat, mind you, but a clever chemical trickery that makes us sweat and reach for a glass of milk. And then there's black pepper, the king of spices. Black pepper contains piperine, a compound that not only gives pepper its characteristic bite, but also enhances the bioavailability of other nutrients. So next time you're seasoning your food, remember, you're not just adding flavor, you're engaging in a culinary chemistry experiment. Alright folks, let's get physical. No, I'm not talking about breaking a sweat in the kitchen. I'm talking about the physics behind our favorite cooking techniques. There's a lot of science happening every time you cook, from boiling water to flipping pancakes. It's all about energy and movement. So next time you're in the kitchen, experiment and have fun. Hold on to your whisks, folks, because we're about to delve into the fascinating world of emulsions and foams. Emulsions transform textures, creating creamy sauces and fluffy meringues. Let's start with emulsions. Oil and water don't mix, but an emulsifier helps them coexist. Think mayonnaise. Foams are air bubbles trapped in a liquid or solid. Think whipped cream or meringues. Remember the science behind these culinary transformations. Explore the microscopic world of fermentation, where tiny organisms transform simple ingredients into culinary masterpieces. Bacteria, yeast, and other microbes are the unsung heroes of the food world. Fermentation is a natural process breaking down sugars without oxygen. Microbes produce carbon dioxide, alcohol, and acids, creating unique flavors and textures. From bread to yogurt, fermentation powers many culinary delights. Appreciate the invisible workforce behind your favorite foods. Alright folks, let's talk temperature. It's the silent partner in every culinary endeavor, the unsung hero of countless successful dishes. Because when it comes to cooking, precision is key, and understanding how heat affects food is paramount. Think of it like this. Heat is energy, and when you apply heat to food, you're essentially transferring energy to the molecules within that food, causing them to vibrate faster and faster. This increased molecular motion leads to a cascade of physical and chemical changes that transform the texture, flavor, and appearance of our food. Take meat, for example. Applying low and slow heat to a tough cut of meat like brisket or pork shoulder allows the connective tissues to break down over time, resulting in a meltingly tender and flavorful final product. On the other hand, searing a steak over high heat quickly browns the surface, creating a flavorful crust while keeping the interior juicy and pink. And let's not forget about baking, where temperature control is paramount. Baking is a delicate dance between heat and time, where even a slight fluctuation in temperature can spell disaster for your cakes, cookies, or bread. So the next time you step into the kitchen, remember, temperature is your friend, your ally, your co-conspirator in culinary creativity. Who knew there was so much science happening right under our noses in the kitchen? From the chemistry of salt, to the physics of cooking techniques, to the microbial magic of fermentation, we've uncovered a world of culinary wonders that will forever change the way you think about food. Understanding these processes not only makes you a better cook, but also helps you appreciate the art of creating food. It's about understanding the why behind the wow, the science behind the deliciousness. So, go forth, my culinary comrades, and experiment with confidence, knowing that you have the power to unlock the secrets of the kitchen. If you learned something new today, or if you're ready to impress your friends with your kitchen chemistry skills, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Share it with your fellow foodies, and of course, hit that subscribe button for more amazing content. See you next time, and happy cooking!